Hi guys, it's Jamie. I'm here for today's distraction and we are gonna try a Pinterest recipe for banana bread that seems pretty easy and can be made with stuff that you have in your house. Make sure to wash your hands before you start. Before we start making the banana bread, we're gonna need to make some buttermilk because we don't have buttermilk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up the measuring cup with a 1/4 cup of milk. I put in a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then you let that sit for 5 minutes and that's just as good as buttermilk, I guess. You'll need to preheat the oven to 350, a loaf pan, and you're gonna wanna spray that with oil or coat it with butter so the bread doesn't stick. You need 1/2 cup of butter, softened. That's 1 whole stick of butter. Yum, yum. And a cup of sugar that you're gonna wanna mix together until it's light and fluffy. It's almost there. You need 1.5 cups of flour. It says to sift it, but the lady said she never sifts it, so I didn't sift it. Then you need 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. There. And then you're just supposed to mix this together. I'm gonna have Jill crack the eggs for me because she's the best egg cracker in our house. So you need 2 eggs. You put it into the mix with the butter and sugar and you stir each egg in one by one. See, look how good she is at that. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and our buttermilk mix that we made using milk and lemon. We're gonna mix in the bananas next. I already have 3 of them in there. This is the last one. You want to use overripe bananas. Maybe you have some in your freezer or maybe some sitting on the shelf that are too brown. That's what you want to use. We don't have a mixer and the bananas are kind of hard to get all ground up. So I'm gonna pour it in the Ninja and we're gonna grind it up in there to get it nice and mixed in. Last but not least, we need our flour that was mixed with baking soda and salt. And then we're gonna stir that all together and it'll be ready to go. All right, now the mixture is ready to go into the loaf pan. We're gonna bake it for approximately 1 hour and then check on it. Remember that's at 350. Let's pop her in the oven. The timer just went off, so let's take a peek. I think it looks pretty good. If you bake something today, we'd love to see you. Post your photos in the comments below.